At the end of the Mass, you will take away the paschal candle, the symbol of the recent promise. Today also is stated as the anniversary of the Church. Why? Because this, on the Pentecost Day, that the apostles started to preach. They got out of the room and started to preach about Jesus. Anyway, today is Pentecost. Let me tell you a little story. A few years ago, I decided to bring some of my friends to Parasowain Church in Manalos. So we drove over to Manalos, and we were traveling through the National Highway, the Harbour Highway of Montana. At a certain point, the main intersection of Manalos, I was going to turn left because that's going to Parasowain Church. 5 minutes from there is Parasowain Church. So when I clicked on my signal left turn, my companion started shouting at me, "Father, hindi, kanan, hindi, nandun na sa hindi, Father, kanan, sa aming ways, kanan, okay? And the other guy was in English, "No, Father, you have to turn right, ways." In English na ways, at may Tagalog na ways. So pareho sila, kanan, right, Father. Siguro yung ginagawa kaya pinaka-pinaka-pinaka ko. So I turned right, true to our expectations, 500 meters away, Waze said, "You have arrived at your destination." Walang sila. Kaya siya. Parasowain Elementary School. Kung minsan nakalimulig siya. So ano gagawin natin ngayon? So lahat ang magawa, always, susunod the ways. And we said, go forward and turn left. So I turned left. And we ended up in a barrio. Dahil hindi na nakasimento ang mga kalsada. And then we turned left and found ourselves crossing a wooden bridge. Ayaw na namin tumuloy, makapagulap sa aming kotse. Pero, yung ganyan na. O, sige na, para na tumuloy kami. Ang ganyan naman nakatawid kami. Ang ending namin, palengke. Sa gilid ng palengke. Pero may nagtitinda sa liwat kanan. Dami, napuko, In the end, nakalabas kami ng palengke. Nakapunta kami doon sa mga sinintagong makikilid na kalsada na puro one-way. In the end, natumbok namin yung main road. Kita-kita mo kung saan mo dapat kumaliwa. So in the end, we ended up 30 minutes going around because of one big mistake. Hindi ka pa sa Pedro. Dumating kami na sa Parasowain Church. Nakasara. So, ano pala dito? Nakita kami nakita dito, nakabukas, pumasok kami. Ang problema, gusto namin mag-CR. Nakasara din. Buti na lang tayo ako. Nag-CR ako, pakumbento ng pare, dali nila. At yung mga babae, nakikusap, pinayagan. Yung mga lalaki nahihiya na, ilinis na lang nila. Okay, anyway, that's how the day went through. Ang saya sana kung hindi nagkakamali. How beautiful the journey would be if all the directions and instructions are clear. How happy life would be if everything is predictable. I love you, you love me. How nice it would be for us to be yours. If these senators will make up their minds. But life is not always clear. Life is not always direct. Life is not always a straight line. Light can be darkness. Light can be emptiness. Light can be loneliness. Life is like living with questions with no answers. Why me? Why this? Why now? Why here? How? What? And there are no answers. Lord, nakasapot ko kaya na ako. Wala sa inyong buhay kayo. Iyan po ay iyong bahagi sa nanimana. Ang sabi ni Lord, hindi sumpa. Life, many times, is a mystery.